Hi. What did you do there? Seems like you're making something extraordinary. It seems like you're doing something that I don't like. Hi, you're always doing that. You're always doing secret things. So now, what secret did you do? Don't tell me that you pee again in the bathtub. Don't pee in the bathtub. Don't pee in the rag. You always do that. Do you think I won't hit you because you're so cute? Don't do that. You have your own toilet. Chocolate? Chucky, you have your own chocolate. Oh no, you have your own toilet. So, don't pee everywhere. Don't pee everywhere. Are you listening? Seems like you didn't listen what I said. You must pee in the proper place, okay? Oh, what's this? Is this your toys? Okay. Like that. You like that? So, is your tummy not hungry now? Okay, I love you. You know that. But don't pee everywhere and anywhere. I always wash the rug because you pee in the rug. And then you pee in the bathtub. Oh my goodness. It's not funny, you know. I always wash that. Okay, bye-bye now. Say bye-bye. Bye. Bye. This is a good boy, sometimes bad. Bye-bye now, baby.